Welcome back to our channel. Today we have this very beautiful 2022 Mercedes AMG A35 Sedan in for Acropovich Exhaust upgrade. Right over here, this is the Acropovich exhaust for the A35. So the rear slip-on section is made out of titanium, while the front link pipe is made out of stainless steel. With the Acropovich exhaust installed on the A35, it will replace this very ugly and simple stock single tips configuration with a pair of beautifully handcrafted carbon fiber tailpipes. So these tailpipes, the outer layer is carbon fiber and the inner layer is made out of titanium, and it looks extremely beautiful compared to the stock tailpipes. There's a whole lot of difference once we get this installed on the car. With this Acropovich titanium slip-on line and the Evolution link pipe installed, there will be a total of 11 horsepower and 90 Newton meters of torque in performance increase on the A35 AMG. Now we are removing the stock exhaust out of the A35. So from here you can see that there's a center resonator, very restrictive center resonator on the middle, and all the way down to the rear there's a very huge rear muffler. With the stock exhaust on the A35, it basically filters out all the sound on the AMG, and it somehow sounds like a vacuum cleaner. And that's the reason why we need to have this beautiful Acropovich exhaust installed for the A35 to make it sounds great again and sounds like a proper AMG. The Acropovich exhaust is fully plug and play. As for the valves function, it will be using back the original control. So this is the electric valve motor that we've taken out from the stock exhaust, and we'll just directly plug it back onto the Acropovich muffler. There's no any wiring or additional remote control needed for this A35 AMG in order to operate the valve. Everything will follow back the original factory settings, where you can operate to turn off and on the valves by using the factory control. Now the A35 AMG is completed with Acropovich exhaust upgrade, a lightweight titanium rear muffler, and to the middle it deletes the factory center resonator so that the car sounds way more aggressive. And also this carbon fiber quad tailpipes makes a whole lot of difference on the A35 AMG. It completely changes the looks. Now the car looks way more aggressive with this carbon fiber tailpipes installed. Moment of truth. Now it's time to start up the A35 AMG and listen to how this Acropovich exhaust sounds on the A35. We have installed Acropovich exhaust on the 2022 facelift A35 AMG Sedan, and now this car sounds a lot better compared to the stock exhaust that it has previously. So let us know in the comment sections below what you think about this Acropovich exhaust sounds on the A35 AMG. Remember to like and share this video, and also don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more exciting contents in the future.